All right, what's up, guys? So somebody actually lifted with made a comment on social media that if you're able to wear your wrist straps for the whole workout, you're probably not wearing them properly. And that's true. That's 100% true. So I'm going to make a video on how to use your wrist straps. There's nothing wrong with wearing them. Like, could be a fashion statement. If it gives you some peace of mind, sure. But if you want to get the benefit, like the true mechanical benefit of wearing them, this is my doggy. Hi, Zeke. They got to be tight and they got to be at the right spot. I see a lot of people, they put them, nope. They put them, Zeke, get down. They put them below their wrist, so they still have full flexion and extension of the wrist. The whole point is to actually avoid that, to give stability to the wrist because you're loading it up, right? So when you have one of these with the thumb strap, basically what I do is I put it on to gauge and I close my wrist. So I'm actually having it, I actually started to pull it down just a little bit because I do want it to go over my wrist. That's the whole point, right? So I start it right here and then I clasp it. The first rotation is not that strong. I use it pretty much just to get my fingers, I don't know if you can see that, just to tie it down essentially. And then I staple it again, right? So from here, pull tight, and I'll tighten the initial strap right back over, surrounding the wrist. Boom. I tag it to myself. Boom. Then I let go of the wrist strap, the thumb strap. As you can see, I don't get a ton here, and it's competition ready too, because the bar is not going to hit where the strap is. That's some federations are really strict on that, and then even that varies meet to meet. But basically, your wrist should feel like you're losing circulation. Like I'm already getting the blood flow stop there a little bit. So basically, once you get there, boom, other wrist, do your bench press, overhead press, whatever you're doing. And when you come to get it off, because you should not be able to wear this for more than a minute or two at a time. And then you can just, boom, pop it, it should come undone. Give yourself a little break. See, you can even tell I had the wrist wraps on very tightly. Again, if you want to wear it for aesthetics, that's on you, like whatever, that's not a big deal. But if you want to get the true mechanical benefit from them, you got to have them tight. And they got to be so uncomfortable that you don't want to wear them for longer than you have to. So that's a little tutorial on there. There's different versions of wrist wraps. There's some that this little part will just be a lifted part and then you just slide it through. Those are a lot easier to put on in my opinion. These are my old ones, but they still do the trick. It's still very tight. So yeah, there you go. Wear your wrist straps correctly if you want to get the true benefit. Other than that, if you're just doing it for aesthetics and you're aware, who cares, right? Whatever. So